Morning. It's feeling like a self-care type of day. I feel like it's been longer than 12 weeks for my hair color. Yeah, so we're gonna touch up my hair color. Usually I would have done it before the retie, but did not. I'm gonna do my eyebrows first, thread them. Handy dandy threading. I'm doing that since I was like 16. So boom, 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 boom. So y'all, I feel like the only place I get gray hair is my eyebrows. Like they be coming through in my eyebrows. Can y'all see? Right there. It's right there, it's sticking out. And there's also one right here, but it's also sticking out. Always in my eyebrows. Tweeze and pluck. Again, take a look. Let's clean them up. I got the gray hair. It won't come out. Got it. See that? It's in there, the gray hair. Okay, results. Listen, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. I'm gonna stick by that because I be tired, like trying to get it to be super perfect yourself. It's like difficult. I think they look good though. I think they look nice. Okie dokie. He literally starts when I turn the camera on. But my handy dandy box dye. Now why you brought that up in here? Thank you. Y'all see him? He wanna be involved so bad. Number 57. Well, we colored up. The brows looking quite laminated, but it's just that. Watching little Stargate. Not a demon, Lord. Why does my dog think I'm somebody to sit on? Like, bruh, you, all this space we got here, and you want to sit on me? conditioner for the areas that I colored, of course. Maybe I should put a little bit on my eyebrow, just in case. I wish they sold like a big bottle of after color conditioner, because it make your hair feel so good. Ooh. Okay, I'm trying this product. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I got it in a sample. After shampooing, massage into hair from root to tip, leave in for 10 minutes before rinsing. So I'm gonna just put this on the ends of my hair because I just put the other thing at my roots. This had a lot of little product in there. I'm gonna put 1,000 conditioners in here. I'm gonna put another bag on my head. Okay, I do plan on styling my hair. I haven't done a curl set in a while, but I may just wait until tonight. So yeah, because it's Saturday and I got stuff to do. I want to go outside and I don't want to walk around with curlers. I could put a hat on, but it's gonna be hot. So I guess tonight I'll just come in and do the curls. I'll probably let them stay all in Sunday. And then yeah, I haven't done curls. I've been doing a lot of braid outs. We're gonna do a roller set. Yeah, let's do a roller set. Actually didn't do much of anything today. I got rained on real bad. So my hair, it was like almost dry. Now if I shake my head, water, I mean all of it's not wet, but at one point it was a little drenched. Like this part very much wet, this part is wet a little bit. So let me just go ahead and do my little roller wrap. Not roller wrap, let me do my curl set. My roller. Let's go ahead and just do what we gotta do because it's supposed to rain again. Okay, let's see. I have a lot of lock sprinkles in my hair too, so it'd be cool to see how the curls are with the lock sprinkles. I usually don't use mousse for styles anymore, but I think a curl or roller set you should use some mousse. This one, isn't it cute? It's like a rainbow. See, I got 30 rollers. How many curls? I plan to use the whole bag, to be honest. recorded a little footage for a short, so y'all may or may not see a little short about the rollers. So let me see what we looking like. Any mist? Bruh, this is the bane of my existence. Where can you go? See, what's this? You can go. I'm gonna wrap it around this one. Just gonna wrap it around, covered and loose. That should do that. Any more? Because I like to hide. Ooh. Okay, I used the whole pack of 30. So now I think either the rollers or something I had ordered came with this little hair net. So whenever I do rollers, I like to put this little net on it. I like to get all the rollers in there. I'm cooking with my boyfriend tonight. He can be like, girl, take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. So it's basically open, but like, yeah, we good. Very nice. So now it's like, now the rollers can't move around. Everybody's protected. Nobody can move. My hair, it don't move. It can't move. No roller. And it's not too tight. I'm glad. I hate when it's like too tight or stuff. So we good there. I feel good. My hair about to be done. So hair turned out really good as always, but of course sometimes there are just some random stragglers. I just saw one that was, oh, here it is. Like, what you doing? We didn't say bump the end, we said curl. So just tuck it in for now. It turned out really good though. I didn't like separate it too much, you know. I just shook my head around and like did this at the top, but I didn't go through and just like separate each curl to where it was like giving more body. We want the curls to last, so I try to not manipulate it too much. That was my little hair maintenance routine. We did a color, pretty much a full wash and deep condition, and we did a style. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video.